Welcome to Magic CSC by Eezytutorials. To watch the same content in Tamil, click the link in the description box. We are going to see DQL command, concatenation and SQL Aliase. So we are going to see first SQL Aliase or renaming. So you can rename the fields of the table, or you can even rename a table. So instead of having the original name, you can have a temporary name, but make sure you keep in your mind that the new name is only temporary if you are using the keyword as. So under DQL, you can perform renaming with the help of as, and this as renaming will be like temporary renaming only during that query time. Only in the result set of the query you will be having the new changed name. So let us see how to change the name. So here we'll see the same table. Select star from employee. This is the table which we are working with, right? So this is my table. Now I would like to rename the name and place as some other thing. Select name as. So the name should be like employees. And place should be like location. So from employee. See, in the result set for this query alone, the name has been changed as employees and the location. The field name has been changed. So now I am describing and seeing the employee. The field name is name and place. It has not been changed to employee or location. So the new name has not been reflected in the table, only in the result set. Only in the result of this particular query, your change of name is reflected. So to improve the readability, you would perform this renaming operation with the help of as keyword. This is actually only temporary. Only during the duration of that particular query, this renaming will be working. So in the next instance, it will be working as a normal field name. So then this name will be lasting only for this query duration. This you have to keep in mind. So this is the concept of renaming. You can also rename the table as well. So we'll be learning like complex queries, subqueries, join operations and all. There and all, you will be having again and again you will be using the table name in the same query itself. So at that time it will be if you are using the renaming operator as, it will be easy for you to write the query. So you will be using at that time. We'll be seeing during that time. So now we'll proceed to the next concept, concatenation. So what is meant by concatenation? Joining two particular things is called concatenation. So you are having two different fields. You can combine the two columns with the help of the concatenation operator, that is the pipe symbol. Two horizontal symbols are. So if you are seeing in your keyboard, above the enter key, just above the enter key, you will be having a straight line. So two times you are typing that, then that forms the pipe symbol. So this pipe symbol is used for performing concatenation, that is joining something. You can join two columns, or you can join a string literal along with the column. Whatever you want, you can make. So we'll see some example. So now I would like to, the same employee table I am considering, I would like to join the name and age together. I want to perform concatenation. So select name, the pipe symbol, age, from employee. So here name and age are concatenated together. So the reason why I did this, I would like to create a mail ID. So, and look at the result set, it is coming like name, concatenate, pipe symbol, age. So I want to rename it as mail ID. So the mail ID is from Gmail domain. So I would like to add the string literal at Gmail. So I would like to project the employee ID, name, then name concatenated with age, concatenated with the string literal at gmail.com. So this forms the mail ID. So I'm renaming it as mail ID. The result set, I'm renaming it as mail ID. So here these are my list of mail ID. In my result set, renaming has been happened with the help of as operator. The column name, age, then the string literal. Three things are concatenated together. So this is how you have to perform concatenation and renaming. In the next video, you will see some other useful query. Stay tuned to Magic CSE by Eezytutorials. Thank you.
Hope you like this video. Kindly like, share and subscribe. Do post your valuable comments. Check for useful links in the description box. For more technical videos, stay tuned to Magic CSE by Eezytutorials. Thank you.